Declining with grace, the art of saying no politely. Hello learners. Today, we're diving into a very important aspect of English communication, the polite way to decline an offer. It's crucial to be able to refuse something without causing offense. One great way to achieve this is by using the phrase, "I appreciate the offer, but..." Let's explore this in detail. In many cultures, directly refusing an offer can be perceived as rude or dismissive. English-speaking countries often value indirectness and politeness, especially in unfamiliar or formal settings. Being polite is not just about the words you use, but also how you say them. So, when someone offers help or presents an opportunity that you need to decline, it's important to do so with grace and respect. This phrase has three components. 1. Acknowledgement, "I appreciate," signifies that you recognize and are grateful for the offer or gesture. 2. The subject, the offer, refers to what is being proposed or presented to you. 3. Polite refusal, but signals a gentle decline, leading to your reason for doing so. By using this phrase, you're not just declining, but you're also acknowledging the kindness or effort of the other person. Let's look at some examples of how this phrase can be used. 1. Scenario: a colleague offers to cover your work shift. 2. Response: "I appreciate the offer, but I'm actually okay to work tomorrow. Thank you though." 3. Scenario: a friend offers to lend you a book. 4. Response: "I appreciate the offer, but I've already read that one. Got any other recommendations?" 5. Scenario: someone offers to buy you a coffee. 6. Response: "I appreciate the offer, but I've just had one. Maybe next time." Through these examples, we see that the phrase is flexible and can be used in various situations, always achieving the aim of polite refusal. While it's a great phrase, there are also other polite ways to decline offers. Some of these are: "Thank you for thinking of me, but that's very kind of you, but I'm honored, but..." Each of these conveys the same principle: acknowledgement and a polite decline. Declining an offer is a common part of our social interactions. With the phrase, "I appreciate the offer, but..." you can ensure that you're not only conveying your decision but also doing so with respect and gratitude. Remember, it's not just about the words, but also the intent and tone behind them. We hope this lesson helps you in your English language journey. Until next time, happy learning!